In today's video, I am going to be cleaning my apartment and also doing some organizing. I'm also going to be moving Grandpa's table from this corner to the other side of the TV. But first, I'm dusting off this Tiffany wine bottle canvas and also dusting off Miss Angelina Jolie. Now I'm just vacuuming this area quick because the girl's scratcher made a little mess, and I'll vacuum the rest of the rug after I finish dusting and stuff. So I'm moving on to the TV table now. I'm wiping it down. I'm going to wipe off the top of the table and the base of the TV, and back behind there it was really dusty and there was lots of cat hair. And then I'm going to be wiping off underneath the table where my little things sit, and then I'll be vacuuming the rug after. I still haven't had a chance to use my rug cleaner on this rug yet, but I'll be doing that sometime soon. The problem is this rug is way bigger than the other one, so it would probably take a lot out of me to clean the entire rug. So I'm gonna save that for another day when I literally have nothing else to do and I have the energy to do it.
He's a vagabond, he won't love you better. I can watch you sinking down on the bottom ship. So come to 10, then again, Mississippi. You've been crying over.
So now I'm wiping off Grandpa's table. It's been a very long time since I wiped off the base of this table, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. And oh my goodness, there was so much dust and cat hair on the base of this table. It was not fun wiping it off. No matter how much I wiped it with the paper towel, it was like more and more cat hair just kept appearing out of nowhere. Now I'm wiping off the glass part, and then I'll be putting everything back on top, like my Audrey canvas, my wax warmer, and our wedding picture. I don't know why I moved this ottoman, but here I am moving it back, and now I'm spraying the pillows and blankets down and the living room with my floral marshmallow from Dossier. This stuff smells so sweet and delicious. Moving on, now I'm cleaning behind the couch. I'm gonna vacuum up all of the litter back there. These girls are so messy with the litter, so I gotta get that vacuumed up. And then after I'm done vacuuming, I'm gonna be mopping back there as well. So today I convinced Alan to move the go-kart onto the balcony. Thank God it's out of here because it was driving me crazy sitting there. You can see that area by the couch needed vacuumed and mopped so bad because of the dirt and dust that the go-kart left there.
In the madness, you got me good, baby. Keep on coming back to you. I know that.
So now I'm going to vacuum and mop this area as well, and then I'm going to be wiping off the bookshelf quick, and then I'm going to be vacuuming the rug over yonder and straightening up the pillows on the couch, and also spraying it all down with that floral marshmallow again.
I know that you know this, you already messed it up. I think you're addicted to drama. Sleeping at night, keep losing your shit on my problems. You know that something ain't right, blaming me for causing your insanity. I'm pretty sure you're born like this. Talk before you think it's your original touch, but I guess it kinda works on you. You got me paper thin, doing concrete face, diving romance in the madness. You got me good, baby. Keep on coming back. that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. You already messed it up. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. You got me paper doing concrete things, got me romance in the madness.
Now I'm in the kitchen and I'm going to be doing some organizing. The cabinet with my spices in it was getting a little hectic, so I'm going to wipe off the shelves in there and reorganize all of my spices that I keep in there.
You already messed it up.
I love these little Lazy Susan organizers. They are my favorite. It's so nice how they spin, so I'm able to just spin it and find what I'm looking for rather than having to dig for it. But that's what I'm going to be doing now. I'm also going to be organizing underneath the kitchen sink, which I was dreading so bad because it's such a mess. And no matter how much I organize things, it always ends up in the same shape and it drives me crazy. But sometimes you got to do what you got to do. So that's what I'm doing.
Baby, keep on coming back to you. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. You already messed it up. Oh, here you are, face to face.
I'm also going to be organizing and cleaning out the cabinet that has all of my small appliances in it because there was tons of crumbs in that cabinet from my toaster. So I'm going to be getting the crumbs out and wipe off the shelves and then reorganize all of that stuff because it was a total mess.
I don't really mind all the smokers in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Times another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smell, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating, I don't really care.
These are my little cookbooks that I keep under there. The first two are actual Gypsy cookbooks, and as you can see, my picture is featured in one of them. A lot of the youth in our culture had their pictures in there, but I figured I'd show you little old me. I was blonde then and probably about 13 or 14, I'm not sure. But the other cookbooks I have, well, one of them is my mom's and I need to give it back to her, but I love it so much, so I keep it. My cousin made it for her and it's filled with family recipes. And then I have my own that my mom bought me, but I never finished filling it out yet and I really need to. And then I also have HelloFresh recipes in here as well.
Even if I told you I could never let you go, I'm not so sure you believe me. But if I mean to show you, I will never let you go.
So now I'm vacuuming up the 5 million crumbs off the floor. As you can see, there was a lot. And then I'm going to be organizing the cleaning products under the sink. After that, I'm going to be wiping off the kitchen cabinets, and then I'm going to let my little robot vacuum and mop the kitchen because I didn't feel like doing it, and she does such a great job, so why not let her do it? If you've made it this far in the video and you are listening to the sound of my voice, hello, it's me, Delilah. Okay, I'm just kidding. Anyways, yeah, if you're still here and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also give this video a like. And then when the video is over with, drop me a comment in the comment section, because as always, I would love to hear from you.
There are stains on your photo, little cracks on your rusty frame, stuck in the mud, oh, but it's okay. I don't have the pieces of your home, buried in the flashbacks. All these wicked nightmares have gone cold. Now we go way back, as far as way back goes. Still standing by your side. You know I'll be right here when all the monsters come. Oh, I've got you. You grew old in suburbia, where pretty demons never show, shifting shapes in millenniums, but you're okay. I don't have the pieces of your home, buried in the flashbacks. All these wicked nightmares have gone cold. Now we go way back, as far as way back goes. Still standing by your side. You know I'll be right here when all the monsters come. Oh, I've got you. I've got you. Now we go way back, as far as way back goes. Still standing by your side. You know I'll be right here when all the monsters come. Oh, I've got you.
So I also wanted to share this little tip with y'all. When your cleaning rags start getting a little funky, just boil them. I never realized you could do this until I started using these certain cleaning rags. I forget the name of them. It's like Solivio or something, but the instructions literally say to boil them. So I do that with all of my cleaning rags. Just get a big old pot, fill it up with water, and boil them. It gets the smell right out and cleans the rags so good and makes them as good as new.
You told me you believe in something, and you said you're done pretending that fate is patient.
Then I made myself a little lunch because I was a little hungry. I had some raw carrots, cauliflower, broccoli, and string cheese cut up into little baby bites. And then I had a little bit of ranch left, so I tried to get that on my vegetables as well. I love ranch with raw vegetables. I really need to go to H-E-B and get some more because I have lots of raw vegetables left and I want some ranch. Alright, so I'm moving on to the bathroom now. I'm going to wipe off the counter and the sink, and then I'm going to clean my whole toilet. So get ready for that. If you don't want to watch it, skip it or something, but I am going to be scrubbing the toilet, y'all. Step 1, I'm taking the decor off of the back of the toilet and I'm going to wipe off the tank back there first, and then I'm going to add some peppermint essential oils to the tank. So when you flush, it smells like mint. I just started doing this again recently and I love it so much. You can add any essential oils that you like. It doesn't last that long, maybe only a few flushes, so you do have to redo it, but it smells so good. So now I'm going to use a different paper towel for different areas of the toilet, and I'm throwing them away when I'm done with them. But the first one, I'm using it on the top of the lid and then behind the lid and underneath the bowl and on the sides. The next one I'm going to be using on the seat and under the seat, and then I'm going to use a toilet brush to clean the inside of the toilet. Then I'm spraying the floor around the toilet and using another paper towel for that, and then I'm going to let the little robot vacuum and mop in here as well. And then after all of this cleaning, guess what else I did today? I moved my bed again because the cats are still driving me crazy with the window. They are up before the sun, crying and scratching at the curtains and acting cray-cray, and I just couldn't take it anymore. I am tired of it, so I moved the bed back. I still have a lot to do in here, but I don't have the energy for it today. I did a lot of vacuuming and mopping and moving things, and it was not fun, but hey, look, Cookie is happy, and that's all that matters, and hopefully they're not going to bother me tonight so I can finally get some sleep. Well, anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this video motivated you and inspired you to get up and get her done. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.
Oh.